Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, expert beauty insights. Today, we're talking about something that could revolutionize your oral hygiene routine, especially if you travel often or are tight on space. We're diving into the Panasonic Water Flosser for travel, a sleek and portable oral irrigator designed to keep your gums healthy on the go. If you're someone who's struggled with traditional flossing, or you're looking for a more efficient way to clean those hard-to-reach spots, this product might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. The Panasonic EWDJ11-A Water Flosser is designed for those who want the effectiveness of flossing without the bulk. Its compact, collapsible design makes it the perfect travel companion, fitting right into the palm of your hand. It even comes with a carrying pouch to keep it safe and easy to toss into your bag. This flosser features 2 water pressure settings, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. Whether you need a gentle stream or a more powerful jet to remove food debris and plaque, this device has you covered. It's especially effective for cleaning hard-to-reach places like around braces or in periodontal pockets. Plus, it's easy to use and maintain with a waterproof main unit and a detachable dishwasher-safe water tank. In my experience, incorporating this water flosser into my routine was surprisingly seamless. It's a breeze to use, and the collapsible water tank means I don't have to worry about it taking up too much space when I'm traveling. The 35-second usage time is enough for me to get through a thorough clean, and I love that I don't have to worry about it running out of water mid-cleaning. But let's be real, no product is perfect. The fact that it only holds 150 milliliters of water means you'll get a little less than a minute of use before needing to refill. So if you're looking for a water flosser that lasts a little longer, this may not be the best option for you. However, given its compact design, it's a small trade-off for portability. Now let's talk value. At its price point, the Panasonic Water Flosser is a great investment for anyone who needs an effective, portable option for oral care. It's much more affordable than many larger, bulkier countertop flossers, yet still delivers excellent results. That said, if you don't travel often, you might prefer a model with a larger water tank for longer usage. Customer support is another big win here. Panasonic has a reputation for being responsive and helpful when issues arise. And with the simplicity of the design, there's really not much to go wrong. But it's reassuring to know they've got your back if anything does happen. If you're in the market for an alternative, there are definitely similar portable water flossers at a variety of price points. However, this one strikes a nice balance between affordability, functionality, and portability. So, would I recommend this product? Absolutely. If you're someone who values portability, ease of use, and a reliable clean, this water flosser is a great option. Its compact design and efficient cleaning power make it ideal for those who need a quick, effective solution while traveling or simply want to save space at home. If you've tried this flosser or are considering it, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to grab one for yourself, the link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. Stay beautiful inside and out.